Parrot flies to Delhi.
Good morning, Meenu. I am very thirsty. Can you please give me some water to drink?
Good morning, Parrot. Here, you can drink water from this bowl. You look very tired, Parrot. Where are you coming from?
I had to fly a very long way, Meenu. I had gone to Delhi to meet my cousins.
Delhi? Where is that?
Delhi is the capital of our country, Buzz. Go get that map from my bag. I will show you where Delhi is. Look, Buzz, this is Delhi. Delhi is the capital of our country, India.
Oh, so Parrot, you flew to Delhi. I have never seen Delhi before. How is it?
It is a beautiful place. It has lots of big buildings and forts. There are lots of people also in Delhi. I also made a friend in Delhi. Her name is Gudiya. She is just like you, Meenu. Very kind and sweet.
Oh, so you made a friend. Where does she live in Delhi?
She lives with her family under a flyover. Gudiya, her parents, and 3 brothers live under a flyover.
Under a flyover? But how?
That is their home. Another family also lives there. They are all happy to live there. They cook food in one corner and sleep in another corner. They tie strings from one end to the other and dry their clothes there. But Gudiya has her favorite spot in her home. She likes a quiet corner and reads her book there.
So, Parrot, they don't have homes like we do?
No, Meenu. Delhi city is a big place. There are lots of people everywhere. Not everyone has a house to live in.
Houses? Homes? What is the difference? Buzz, a house is just a place for people to live. It becomes a home when people start living in it happily. So Gudiya and her family's home is under the flyover. Parrot, does Gudiya go to school?
Yes, Meenu. Gudiya goes to school in the morning. After she comes back home from school, she helps her mother with some work. Then she plays in the evening with her friends and studies in the night in her corner.
Oh, so Gudiya lives in a different type of home.
That's right, Buzz. In big cities, people make a home out of many things. I met a little boy. His name was Raju. He lives inside a pipe.
Inside a pipe? That must be very difficult.
Yes, Chinu. It is not easy to live inside pipes. But Raju and his friend Salim live in that pipe with their pet dog Moti. They really love their home.
Parrot, but where do his parents and family live?
Raju's family lives in a village in Uttar Pradesh.
Parrot, can you please wait? I will show Buzz Uttar Pradesh on the map. Buzz, look at the map of India. This is the state of Uttar Pradesh.
Oh, so this is Uttar Pradesh. Raju lives in Delhi and his family lives in Uttar Pradesh. Oh, it is really far from each other.
Yes, it is far. Raju came to Delhi looking for a job. He got a job with a tea shop. But he could not get a house. So he just lived in the street. But he started feeling very cold in the winter and was getting wet when it rained. Then he saw a pipe. It was kept by the side of the road. He started living inside that. One day, he saw a cute puppy getting wet in the rain. It was shivering with cold. He brought the puppy to his home and called it Moti. He shares his food with Moti and they both are friends.
That is very sweet of Raju to take care of the dog. But Parrot, how did he meet Salim?
One day, Raju saw Salim in his tea shop. Salim was looking very tired and sad. He had not had food for 2 days. So Raju gave him food to eat and water to drink. Then he took Salim to his home. Now Salim, Raju and Moti live together in their home and are very good friends. All three have their favorite part in their home. Raju has a special corner in the pipe that he likes. Moti likes to lie down near Raju's feet. They cook food in one corner and have a bath outside. Salim likes to drink his tea at a special place in the pipe. He has his favorite spot in his home.
Oh, just like me. I also have my favorite spot in our home. I like to sit in this platform and read. Grandma likes this cot very much. She spends most of her time here. She cuts vegetables, knits, and stitches clothes sitting here. Ooh, so even Raju, Salim, and Moti have their favorite spots in their home. But Parrot, do Raju and Salim go to school?
No, Meenu. But Raju wants to study and become a doctor. Salim wants to study and become a police officer. So they are both going back to their villages to join a school and study.
That's very good, Parrot. They should study well in a school. Only then they can become a doctor or a police officer.
Parrot, tell me, where do you live? Where is your home?
My home is up on this tree. I have a beautiful nest there.
I am very lucky, Parrot. I also have a home. I live in Meenu and Chinu's home.
But Buzz, even I live in Meenu and Chinu's home.
No, only I live with them.
No, Buzz, even I live in Meenu's home. Look at this tree. It is in Meenu's house. My home is in this tree. So I live in Meenu and Chinu's house.
Even I live in Meenu and Chinu's house. My whole family lives here. My mother, father, and all my brothers and sisters live here. This is our home also.
Buzz, this is my home also. I also live here with my calf. I give milk and I really like Chinu and Meenu. I have been living in this home for many years now.
Meow. This is my home also. Meow. I like chasing the rats around the house and catching them. Meow.
I know, Raja. This is your home also. You are such a sweet dog and I love you a lot.
This is our home also. We also live in Meenu and Chinu's house. We get our food here and we also play inside the house.
Oh my god! Meenu and Chinu's home belongs to so many others also. I thought only I was special here.
It is not only us. The lizards in the wall love this home. It is their home also. They also live here. They play catch and catch and we play fly fly.
Oh, even I did not know that our home is also a home for many other animals, insects and plants. I thought our home is only ours. It belongs to so many others also. I knew that this is home for our cow Lakshmi, Raja, our hen, chicks and Buzz. I did not know that our home is also home for the ants, rats, lizards, birds, trees and plants.
Yes, Chinu. So we are one big family living in this home.
Children, what are you doing there? Can you please come here and help me clean the house?
Yes, Grandma. We are just coming.
Grandma, this is our friend Parrot. He has just come back from Delhi.
Hello, Parrot. Then you can also help Meenu and Chinu clean the house and then decorate it.
Decorated, Grandma? But why?
Tomorrow is Harvest Festival. We have to clean up our home nicely, decorate it, and even put some rangolis outside the house.
Grandma, Meenu makes beautiful rangolis. She can make them outside the house. After the house is cleaned, Parrot and I can fly around and fix all the decorations.
Yes, you all can help me. If you clean the house and decorate it, I can cook some nice sweets for you.
Oh, Grandma, please go to the kitchen quickly. Then you can make nice things for us. We will clean up the home and decorate it very fast.
Okay. I'm going.
Meenu, what are you doing? Why are you putting those things inside this?
Parrot, this is the place where we put our garbage. We always like to keep our house clean. Ma tells us that we should keep all places neat and clean. Our home, school, village, toilets and rivers. She says we should not throw garbage anywhere we feel like. So all of us help to keep our home clean.
Okay, Parrot, let's now decorate our home. Will you please hold this corner? I will tie the other end.
Chinu, take this. I have made a string with mango leaves. Can you please use this to decorate our front door?
Yes, Grandma. Buzz, Parrot, come. I will show you how to do this. Let me take a small stool first. Chinu, this looks really beautiful. I did not know that you can decorate with leaves too.
Parrot, Meenu uses flowers, grass and other color powders to decorate her rangoli. She makes beautiful rangolis and decorates them colorfully. Meenu, will you make a rangoli?
Yes, Buzz. Come, Watch me. Let me make a design first.
Meenu, I will get you some flowers. Then you can use the petals to decorate the rangoli.
That's good, Buzz. Raja, will you get some grass, please?
Meenu, we will also help you decorate the rangoli. What a beautiful rangoli! I will bring all my friends to see this. Friends, do you also keep your home clean? Do you decorate your home during festivals? Is there any special way in which you decorate your house? Do you have a favorite spot in your home? Friends, I have a very special poem for you. Will you listen to it carefully?
One little bird had 4 sweet chicks. Opening their wings, they flew very quick. North to south and east to west, they flew far, far away from their nest. Flying back to their ma in the nest, they had a secret that was the best. Ma, the world is big and colorful, but our house is the most beautiful.
Some animals live in our house because we want them to, but some live uninvited. Will you help Buzz find that out? Cow,
Lives because we want it to.
mosquito,
Lives uninvited.
hen,
Lives because we want it to.
dog,
Lives because we want it to.
lizard,
Lives uninvited.
ant,
Lives uninvited.
Rat.
Lives uninvited.
Buffalo.
Lives because we want it to.
Goat.
Lives because we want it to.
Pig.
Lives because we want it to.
Housefly.
Lives uninvited.
Donkey.
Lives because we want it to.
Spider.
Lives uninvited.
Cow.
Lives because we want it to.
Mosquito.
Lives uninvited.
Hen.
Lives because we want it to.
Dog.
Lives because we want it to.
Lizard.
Lives uninvited.
Ant.
Lives uninvited.
Rat.
Lives uninvited.
Buffalo.
Lives because we want it to.
Goat.
Lives because we want it to.
Pig.
Lives because we want it to.
Housefly.
Lives uninvited.
Donkey.
Lives because we want it to.
Spider.
Lives uninvited.
Shall we help Parrot? favorite fill in the blanks. People live in different types of People live in different types of homes. We should always throw garbage in the We should always throw garbage in the dustbin. We should keep our surroundings and we should keep our surroundings neat and clean. People their houses during festivals. People decorate their houses during festivals. Most of us have a spot or place in our house. Most of us have a favorite spot or place in our house. People live in different types of homes. We should always throw garbage in the dustbin. We should keep our surroundings neat and clean. People decorate their houses during festivals. Most of us have a favorite spot or place in our house.
Will you answer loudly?
Friends, do you keep your home, school, and village clean? How can you keep your surroundings clean? have a favorite spot in your home? Have you decorated your house? What do you use to decorate your house?